Your Windows PC goes to sleep, but when you try to wake it up, you get nothing but a black screen. The fans are running, the lights are on, but the display is completely dead. Here are the proven fixes ranked by how often they work.
Fix number 1. Update your graphics driver. This is the most common cause, fixing about 40% of all cases. Press Win plus ND Open Device Manager. Expand display adapters, right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. For the best results, download the latest driver directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's website instead.
Fix number 2. Disable Fast Startup. Fast Startup can corrupt the Hibernation File and conflict with sleep cycles. Press Win plus R, type powercfg.cpl, and press Enter. Click Choose what the power buttons do on the left. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Then uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Save changes and restart your computer.
Fix number 3. Allow your keyboard and mouse to wake the PC. Open Device Manager and expand Keyboards. Right-click your keyboard device and select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab and check Allow this device to wake the computer. Click OK. Then repeat the same steps for mice and other pointing devices. Fix number 4. Reset the Hibernation File. A corrupted hiberfil.shis can prevent proper wake-up. Open Command Prompt as administrator by searching CMD in the Start menu. Type powercfg/hibernate off, press Enter, then type powercfg/hibernate on and press Enter. This deletes and recreates the Hibernation file from scratch.
Fix number 5. Adjust advanced power settings. Open powercfg.cpl again and click Change Plan Settings next to your active plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Sleep, then set Allow Hybrid Sleep to Off. Expand USB settings and set USB Selective Suspend to Disabled. Click Apply and OK.
Fix number 6. Fix Monitor DisplayPort Deep Sleep. If your monitor shows no signal after wake, use the physical buttons on your monitor to open the OSD menu. Navigate to System or Input Settings. Find Deep Sleep or DP Deep Sleep and set it to off. If the problem persists, try switching from DisplayPort to HDMI, which handles wake signals more reliably.
Fix number 7. Check your BIOS settings. Restart your PC and press Delete or F2 during boot. Navigate to Advanced or Power Management. Enable USB wake support. Disable ERP Ready, which cuts standby power. Make sure CPU C states are enabled. Press F10 to save and exit.
Fix number 8. Run the Power Troubleshooter. In Windows 11, go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Power and click Run. The troubleshooter will diagnose and fix common power management problems automatically.
Fix number 9. Repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. First run DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health and wait for it to complete. Then run sfc/scanout. These commands repair the Windows component store and replace any corrupted power management files.
Why does this happen? The most common cause is a GPU driver that fails to reinitialize the display on wake. Modern standby, the SRO sleep state, has a higher risk than traditional S3 sleep because it keeps the system partially active. DisplayPort monitors can enter their own deep sleep mode, and fast startup can corrupt hibernation files over time.
To prevent this issue, keep your GPU drivers updated monthly. Use HDMI instead of DisplayPort if problems persist, and avoid very short sleep timers. If you like this video, please like, subscribe,